It is a rainy, dreary day here in New York, and I have laundry going, so if you hear that in the background, sorry. There's kind of a lot going on today. There's people working upstairs, a lot of outside noises, but I have my little microphone here, so hopefully it will help with the sound. I wanted to do a video for you today about the key secret to why you might be struggling to manifest things. We've all been there before, where you journal and you meditate and you visualize and you do all the correct steps in order to manifest something, yet it still doesn't happen. It's such a frustrating experience to feel like you're doing everything right and not getting any results. It's also frustrating when you see people doing, the same things that you're doing and they're getting amazing results. So what is it that holds you back from manifesting anything and everything you want? I have just created a digital course, and within creating it, I figured out that the key secret and the biggest, most important part of manifest something is your belief system and your subconscious mind. So why does it matter? Your subconscious mind is a miraculous system within you that holds your intuition, your feelings, your emotions. It knows everything about you. It has a vast and endless storage capacity, and it controls what you accept, your programming. So if you have negative beliefs in any form about what it is you're trying to manifest, that is blocking it from coming to you. In order to get clear and figure out what your blocks are, it's important to do some really strong mindset work. And by doing mindset work, I mean going back and seeing what your programming is, even from a child. Our childhood is where we pick up so much of our programming, and it really sticks with us and forms who we are as people. So do you have a negative mindset or core belief system about money? Did your parents not have enough of it? Were you fearful of it? Do you think it's evil? Did you have bad experiences around it? Do you think you can't afford things? If so, that is going to block you from manifesting money. You might be able to manifest, traveling and other things, but because you have a negative belief system at the core about money, it's just not going to happen for you. It's completely in conflict of what you're trying to create. So mindset work is so important. I mean, you can visualize and journal all day as long as you want, but it comes down to your core belief system and your mindset and your subconscious. Your subconscious is where your intuition comes from. So whenever you feel inspired to take a little action or something, that's all coming from your intuition, which is in your subconscious. And your subconscious accepts whatever facts you feed it. So if you're trying to make an affirmation saying, I have $10,000, I have $10,000, and you're repeating it and your subconscious is taking it in, that's going to give you an intuitive feeling in order to take an action to get that $10,000. It's kind of brilliant when you think about it. It's up to you to feed your subconscious mind and your intuition facts about what you want to create. But the thing is, you have to eliminate any negative beliefs about it. You can't believe something's evil and then also want it at the same time. That just doesn't really work. That's not, conducive to what you're trying to create. So when I created this course, I wanted to figure out all the missing pieces and steps to why anybody might be struggling to manifest. And there are so many different things that I came up with. And I went through this course myself, and it was insane how quickly I manifested things that have been on my vision board for years that I've never been able to manifest. And it all came down to starting with your current belief system in your subconscious mind and kind of understanding how it works. And from there, I determined unique processes and methods for manifesting based on your specific learning type. It's amazing how I've heard all these people say, affirmations work for me. I can say affirmations all day long. But because I'm a visual learner, I need to see something in order to manifest it. I have visual techniques that I need to practice in order to manifest something. Other people who are verbal or auditory learners, affirmations work for them. So in this digital course, I show you every single learning method and specific methods that work for you based on that learning type. So instead of trying something that works for so-and-so, you're trying something that will work for you every single time. And from there, I wanted to share my 7-step manifesting process that I've gotten down to a T, and I can manifest anything I want every single time. And from there, I can show you how to create your 7-step process. And it's just so powerful to have those tools at your disposal. It no longer has to be, this guessing game of, is this going to work for me? Is this going to work for me? No, I want you to have 7 steps that you can do every single time and manifest anything you want. It's really amazing. And then I also share with you my magic manifesting formula that, puts everything together and shows you exactly what you need to do in order to manifest anything you want. This course is really revolutionary. No one's done this before. It's unlike any course you've taken before. That has workbooks, 10 learning modules, so many different things that will help you get the results you've been looking for in record time. And it's tailored specifically for you based on your mindset, your learning type, and your belief system. It's really amazing. I left a link down below if you want to sign up. And I also wanted to share with you that I created a new Facebook group called the Manifesting Mastermind. It's a law of attraction community for entrepreneurs and business babes. And I want it to be kind of like a safe communal space to share anything from business tips to manifesting tips to anything law of attraction in just kind of like a high vibe community. So I'll also leave a link if you want to join us in that community on that Facebook group. I'll leave a link down below. I really hope that this video helped you understand what's been blocking you from manifesting anything and everything you want. And I really hope that you'll join me for the Abundance Academy digital course, because it will change your life and give you the results you've been looking for.